just in the bike cave at the moment. I've kind of lost my mojo the last couple of weeks. I haven't been riding. Mixture of weather and work and whatnot. So I thought today I would do a bike check video, just to show you around the DMR sled that I ride. So here we have my 2019 DMR sled. It's a long travel enduro bike, 27.5 wheels. It's 170mm travel on the back, 180mm on the front. Right, let's just take a closer look at it. Let's take a closer look at the cockpit. Up front we've got a set of DMR wing bars with the liquid camo design on them. These are quite a low rise, 35mm clamp and 800mm wide. I don't tend to cut my bars down. I like quite a wide bar. Holding the bars in place, we've got the DMR Defy 35. Again, it's a 35mm clamp, with it's a 35 rise, oh not 35 rise, 35 reach. Got the DMR stem cap there, and we've got just a generic Garmin holder that sort of goes on there really. Just keeps the Garmin in place when I'm out. Grip wise, again we're using DMR, a bit of a theme here really. These are the DMR death grips. I run the thick soft compound grips with the flanges on. Brake wise, it's the Shimano 4-pot they are. The idiot in the video, namely me, couldn't remember the model number of the brake. One of the top end models. There we go. Shimano MT520. Again, as I say, they're 4-pot and they're pretty strong really. Shifter wise, we've got DMR 12-speed, just a rapid fire shifter. And on the other side we've got an on-one dropper post lever. If we move down the front of the bike, up front we're running RockShox Zebs. They're the ZR model, 180mm travel. Rapid Racer mudguard on there. 203 brake discs. And as I said earlier, the wheels 27.5. They're E13 LS1 downhill wheels with a Maxxis Assegai 2.5 tyre. The Assegais I find are quite a grippy tyre in all conditions. So we move towards the back of the bike. We're running the Fox X2 factory. A lot of settings on there. I haven't really got dialed in properly yet. I really need to look into it to get it dialed in properly for me being on it, as I'm not the lightest of riders. Seat post is an on-one V2 dropper with a DMR Oi Oi Ben Deacon saddle in the camo colourway. As we move down the bike, again we've got E13 componentry in the cranks. You can see that. Pedals, I always used to run flats. Since September I've been riding with the Crank Brothers mallet clipless pedals. I don't feel like I could ride with anything else anymore. They're such a good pedal to ride with. Coupled them with 510 trail cross clipless shoes, and I can't fault them, to be honest. We've got a Praxis chain device on there. It's running a Praxis bottom bracket as well. Again, back wheel is a E13 LS1 downhill wheel. Cassette is a Dior, Shimano Dior. Dior chain, Dior rear mech. Nice little chain guide on there. Again, we're on the Assegai for the rear. Again, can't fault these tyres really. They're pretty decent. On the top tube there, I'm a bit of a sticker monkey. I do. So these are some of the products that I use. Mix Hydration, Winch and Plummet for their jerseys. All muck off for cleaning supplies. And I do drink a lot of Monster because I tend to work night shifts, so I need all the energy I can get. Just go around the other side for a little look. Basically, that is my bike. Thanks for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe. Any comments? I'll happily answer any questions. Thanks for watching.